Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. Welcome to this complete guide on how to download the COMEDK UCHET 2026 result and rank card. In this video, we'll walk you through the result process step by step, explain what details to check on your scorecard and help you prepare for the counseling process ahead. So let's start. First step, always use the official website, which is comedk.org, and avoid unofficial result websites or fake aggregator portals that may provide incorrect information. COMDK UJET 2026 results will go live on May 29 at 4 pm. So keep your login credentials ready before the result announcement. Let's now go through the exact steps to access your COMEDK rank card. Step 1. Visit the official website. Next, click on the login, candidate login, or rank or scorecard link available on the home page. Enter your user ID or application number along with your password. Submit the details carefully. Once logged in, open your COMEDK UJET 2026 rank or scorecard. Download the PDF and take a printout for counseling and admission purposes. One important thing to remember, the website may experience heavy traffic immediately after the results are declared. So stay patient and avoid repeated failed login attempts. After downloading your scorecard, carefully verify all the details mentioned on it. Check your personal details including your full name, photograph, and test admission ticket number. Then review your performance metrics, subject-wise scores, total marks out of 180, percentile scores, and most importantly, your All India rank. Your All India rank is extremely important because it directly determines your priority during seat allotment and counseling. If you notice any discrepancy in your scorecard, report it to the official COMEDK help desk immediately to avoid delays later during admission. Once results are declared, the next phase is counseling. In June 2026, centralized online counseling will begin where candidates register, fill college and branch choices, and participate in seat allotment based on their AIR. A better rank gives you better flexibility and more college options. Before counseling begins, make sure your login credentials are safely stored for future portal access. Also, start researching colleges and branches in advance so you are fully prepared for choice filling. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to press like. And if you have any queries, then comment them down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel.